the Aquarian Alchemist, and I am back with a reading for you, my beautiful hearts. This is your first time to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you are here because you are a loyal, loving subscriber, you have that bell notification on, then you already know I love you because you're loyal. Now, it is time for us to do our sneak peek into the week reading. Let's see what we have coming up this week. This is the first week of August. Welcome to August, by the way. Happy birthday to all the Leos. Let's see. This deck is acting like it doesn't want to talk. I was shuffling. Might have to change decks. Let's see. Do you have anything to say today, please? We are always grateful and thankful to our ancestors, angels, guardians, guides, Most High, and Holy Spirit for always protecting and watching over us during these readings and workings. Okay. Okay. Oh, you talking? You got something to say? Forgive this squeaky chair. I'm in my daughter's chair. It's like kind of little. I probably shouldn't have my big butt in it. But this week, what I'm seeing here is you could be kind of in hermit mode, kind of keeping to yourself, reflecting on something that's going on in your life. You could be reflecting on something that you did in the past that could be coming back up now. You could be reflecting on your life, on motherhood, on being a mom, on what it is to be a mom, thinking about your children, planning for the future. You could be really thinking about whether you should relocate, thinking about if you should change employment, change jobs. Those things could be on your mind this week. Tell me more. You could be thinking about your son. Somebody, this is for somebody, not everybody, but somebody's son could get in trouble this week or be having a hard time. See, son came up again. See, someone's son could be going through something this week. Someone's son could be experiencing something. Someone's son could be expecting. Someone's son could find out he has someone pregnant. Let's see what else. Someone's son could actually get engaged this week too, or be talking about, settling down with someone. What else can we expect? We have 2 8s out here. We do have the 8-8 portal approaching. Okay. Someone could be healing or reflecting on some heartbreak surrounding family this week. Your family could be receiving judgment as well. You could be in separation from your family. You could be like estranged from your family, right? And they could be reaching out to you this week, or they could have reached out to you over the weekend. This is because people are going through judgment. People are having a hard time. People are facing the consequences of their actions. They could be sending someone to you to speak to you. This could be a male. This could be the male of the family. This could be a mother of the family. This is also in the cards. Yeah, but see, someone could be coming to tell you the truth, or they could be coming and tell you a partial truth. Or I'm also feeling this, it's like they're telling you a truth, but there's something to this truth. It's like they're telling you the truth because XYZ. It's like if XYZ didn't happen or wasn't going on, you probably would never know. So let's keep that in mind. Like they're telling you, I don't know if they're telling you because they have to tell you. It's what it kind of feels like. It's like they're telling you because they have to tell you, not because they want to. They're mad that they have to tell you. Like they don't like the fact that they have to tell you. But somebody definitely has to tell you something that they were involved in. They have to tell you something that they did. They have to tell you that something that someone else did. There's some kind of conversation happening this week surrounding betrayal. Could be surrounding a mother figure, an auntie, a grandma, an older cousin even. Somebody you walked away from or that you're going to walk away from once you get this information. But it seems like you've already walked away from these people or this person. It's like you're in a it's interesting because I feel like you're kind of like already in this peaceful state. I just did a video about how sometimes peace is your payback. Okay, check that out. Sometimes peace is your payback. Peace is your get back. Just the peace that you have not having to deal with certain people is your payback. That is your get back. That is your payoff. And it's worth so much. People discount it because it's not money or it's not this or that. But peace is invaluable. You can't put a price tag on peace. I'm telling you, it's nothing like it. Okay, ancestors, anything else? There's two people in particular that are receiving judgment, a male and a female. Somebody who tried to do some type of like smoke and mirrors game with you, may have tried to play some type of little game with you, tried to hide some information, tried to gaslight you, have you thinking one thing or something else was going on. These two people, the devil in reverse. Yeah, see, they have to, there's some type of game or attachment or something that was going on that's now being released. It's now being shown. It's something that was hidden, some type of obsession with there's some type of obsession with stabbing somebody in the back or playing some type of game or gossiping. It's something going on with this Empress who's been off to herself, doing her thing, taking care of her children. Who her family members, your family members have been playing games. Somebody that's either in your family or you looked at as family. They've been playing some type of game and they are receiving judgment. So they could be coming back into your, trying to come back into your energy or needing to come back into your energy to tell you something that they did. It's confession time. Okay. Someone's going to be confessing. Someone wants to confess. Someone wants to tell you why they broke your heart, how they broke your heart. Son of Wands in reverse. My throat. See? Excuse me. I speak the truth lovingly, openly, and clearly. Oh no, we're gonna get this out. Don't worry. So, Son of Wands and the Devil came out in reverse. So, the Devil is like detachment, narcissism, new awareness. See, you're going to become aware of something. That's what I'm talking about. They're going to tell you something. Financial troubles, working towards recovery from addiction or mental health issues. So, there's something that's getting ready to be revealed probably this week by your family members or someone that you consider family. Okay, we got that part. Yeah, see, conflict, unreliability, impulsiveness, no boundaries. Excuse me. This is what I was gonna say. This whole need to tell you something all of a sudden is also a ploy to disturb your peace. So don't let it. Okay? Do not let, people, they see you here. This is you. Okay? This is you. Excuse my hands, I've been working. But this is you. You're over there in Zen, you're a hermit, you're over there off to yourself, you're seeing the light, you're meditating, you being the empress, all beautiful and juicy. And they're over here like, you not still mad that we broke your heart? You not still mad that we put, 8 knives in your back? You ain't still mad? Well, let me come and tell you how bad it really was. Let me tell you how much I actually did. Well, let me tell you how far we really went. Or let me tell you how bad it really got. That they want to tell you this. They need to tell you this. And, you need to know it, but it's also a ploy to disturb your peace. So keep that in mind and don't let it disturb your peace. It might hurt your feelings. Give yourself a day, but get back to being your peaceful self. Pray on it, cry if you need to, and then move on. Okay? Because see, you've already left the baggage behind you. You've already left it behind you. But see, they want to rehash it because they're going through judgment now. So now they feel bad. Oh, maybe if I tell the truth, maybe if I admit to what I did, and it's gonna make things easier for me. You see what I'm saying? It's really not about you. It's about them wanting to feel better about what they did, or feeling like if they tell the truth now because they're going through it, maybe that'll, maybe the universe or God will ease up off of them a little bit, So just keep all this in mind when they come to you. Any advice cards? African goddess. Yeah, you are safe. Know that you are safe, okay? And you got speak up. So speak up came like sideways. So just let these people talk. You don't have to say too much. Just let people say what they need to say. And yeah, because you have the good juju around you and surrounding you. And they want to talk to you. They want to tell you what happened. Girl, let me tell you, I'm so sorry. They want to do all this. And they also want to get a little bit of your good juju while they're at it. They want to get a little bit of your good vibe while they're at it. And, so just be aware. It's like, they telling you to speak up, but don't say too much. Let them say what they gotta say, and just really don't feed into it too much. Because at the end of the day, you already forgiven these people. You've already let it go, and it's like knowing, you already hurt me. I've been hurt. You can look at that like, oh, well, I've been hurt. You've already hurt me. I've already got stabbed in the back, 3 knives, 8 knives in my back. What else do you want to tell me? You want to take the 8 to 10? Okay, now what? Like, I'm still walking away. I'm still at peace. That's not gonna change because you're saying what you want to say. Say what you need to say and keep it moving. Communication is key. Act like it wanted to fly out but didn't. A fiery climax approaches. I'm telling you. Then meditate and contemplate. So, see, this is what I'm feeling. Right? Fiery climax approaches. They want to disturb your peace. Okay? Period. But you need to meditate and contemplate. This, fire and water. You see it? Fire and water. This could actually be a fire sign coming towards you. They want to turn up. They want to let you know, hey, you ain't mad no more. You ain't upset. Let me add some fuel to the fire. Let me get you angry. All this is a ploy. They want to get you mad, so you can weaken and start leaking in your aura, so they can start draining your energy again. Long story short, don't fall for it. You know what I mean? If they want to say what they gotta say, let them say what they gotta say, and you go right back into meditation. Do you hear me? Right back into prayer, right back into meditation. Don't allow people to disturb your peace, okay? Because guess what? This peace that you have, They did not give it to you, and they cannot take it away. I love you, my beautiful hearts, and I hope you have a good week. If this resonates with you, get in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Go to the website, aapothecary.shop, and get what you need. We have cleansing salts. We have candles for attraction, cleansing, calling in money. Right in time for the 8/8 portal. Get you money showers candles, okay? I have what you need. Come and check me out. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.